Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. I am your friend Roshni and I welcome you on your own YouTube channel, Jobs Junction, connecting talent with opportunity. So friends, like always, today we'll be discussing about one more opportunity with you all, and yes, it's a state level opportunity. So please pay attention, all of you. Those who wants to serve in the state government, this is for you all. And if you are not aligning, then kindly share this video with your friends and family. So let's start about the vacancy. You can see this is our official page, Jobs Junction official's website. You can reach out to us using www.jobsjunction.org. MPPSC State Engineering Services. So engineers, this is MPPSC vacancy. Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission has released this State Engineering Service. 23 vacancies are out. Age limit is 40 years and positions will be filled by State Engineer Service Exam 2025 and qualification required is bachelor degree. So let's talk about the brief information. Starting date will be 14th of March and the closing date for application will be 13th of April. So you can fill this form before 13th of April. Application fee, if you are from STSC, it's 250 and for all other candidates it's 500 rupees. You have to fill this form online. Talking about the description, post accordingly distributed here, we have to look. The post is distributed like 20 posts for assistant engineer in civil if you are holding a bachelor degree in engineering in the relevant subject, and the age limit 21 to 40 years on 1st of Jan. That means जो डेट आपको ध्यान रखनी है 1st January 2025 है, जहाँ से आपकी सारी डिग्रीज और आपकी एज का सारा कैलकुलेशन होगा. And for the electrical and mechanical, there are 3 positions. These are all the important links, friend. If you are preparing for any examination, for entering into any government sector, government organization, then you have to prepare yourself, right? Because preparation is very important to get absorbed, and for that Jobs Junction has released its test series, Jobs Junction test series, which you can go and take at a discounted price. How? Just using my coupon code JOBS20, JOBS JOBS20 to get flat 20% discount, and that's a great material that will definitely gonna help you out. So friends, please check. As we say, it's your one-stop solution because you have got all the important links aligned at one place, from applying online, download notification, official website, test series, detailed video, everything. And as I always say, we have to go to the notification because notification is very important. You realize how can you make your candidature stronger by reading the terms and condition of the notification. So this is the notification मध्य प्रदेश पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन ने रिलीज किया है हमारा द्वारा मध्य प्रदेश शासन के विभिन्न विभागों हेतु सहायक यंत्रियों के पदों की पूर्ति हेतु आवेदन पत्र. So this is the application form. आपको ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन यहाँ कराना है www.mponline.gov.in. एज कैलकुलेशन यू हैव टू डू फ्रॉम 1st January 2025. 15th 4 2025 तक ऑनलाइन ही किया जा सकेगा. दैट मीन्स करेक्शन जो है वो 15th April तक आप कर सकते हैं अगर कुछ मिस्टेक है तो, बट एज आई से आप पहले ही अपने कैंडिडेट को बहुत स्ट्रांगली फिल करें. देन परीक्षा केंद्र तथा परीक्षा पत्र. इस विज्ञापन के अंतर्गत विज्ञापित पदों हेतु इंदौर, भोपाल, जबलपुर तथा ग्वालियर स्थित परीक्षा केंद्र पर वास्तविक प्रश्नों की OMR आधारित परीक्षा आयोजित की जाएगी. दैट मीन्स यहाँ आपकी पेन पेपर बेस्ड OMR बेस्ड आपका एग्जामिनेशन रहेगा फॉर योर सिलेक्शन. विज्ञापन के संदर्भ में समस्त आवश्यक सूचनाएं संशोधन आयोग की वेबसाइट mppsc.mp.gov पर अवेलेबल कर दी जाएगी. So those who wants to apply, please apply. This is about the notification. Dates आपको ध्यान रखनी है 13th of April तक आपकी dates हैं. यहाँ आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन नहीं है, यहाँ आपका पेन पेपर टेस्ट है, OMR शीट का टेस्ट है. So please apply, and for any other further queries and doubts you can reach out to us via comment or also via our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. So friends, we'll be meeting again. Until then, please keep applying, keep growing. Thank you all.